Okay, so when you get to these are two-way ANOVA tests. So my list says I have advertising medium, so I have either radio or television, and then I have the length of the advertisement, 30 seconds or 60 seconds. So these are the things I'm changing. And then the effects are what's going to have on what we'll call these ratings. All right, so I want to look for the ones that end in rating, not length of ad, and not advertising medium. Because the rating this doesn't make sense. The rating has an effect on the medium. Nope. It would be the length or the type of medium, advertising medium, so this is radio or television, has no effect or has an effect. And then the other one I want to find is the length, has no effect or it has an effect. So if I change the length, does it affect? Yes or no? Or actually, no or yes. Same thing here, no or yes. But I'm just picking the two that end in rating. The interaction one, so now this would be, so the first one says, is there a difference between this column and this column? Or is there a difference between this column and this column? That's what the first one that's this question and this question. The second one now says, does one of these boxes have a higher rating than the others? So that's called the interaction, and that's, again, on rating. It's not on the length of the ad or on the type of ad. All right, continue. So now we're going to do the two-way ANOVA, and I already know that this is going to be my answer because I want the rating to be, not the length of the medium or the, all right, anyways, StatCrunch. Okay, I want stat, ANOVA, two-way ANOVA. Okay, this first one is rating. Second one, select the column. Well, lo and behold, here's column. Column factor in, we want row. Okay. Hold on. Did I do these backwards? Row factor in row. Column factor in column. Hey, let's do it that way. This might work out a little better than we did in class. So the column, row, makes sense. Okay, so here we have some values. Now I want the row, which is, the row is goes with length. So which of these has length? This one does. So I want my row to match up with add length. So this is going to get that 2.57 value. And then this one will get the 1.56 because this one deals in medium, and my medium are my columns. There we go. Okay, last one is interaction, and that will be this one right here, 0.03. Okay, and then now we're putting in the p-values. Again, typically it's going to be in the same order. I want the one with rating, but I'm just going to check advertising medium is the columns. So I go over to here, column, 0.2303. So 0.23, and then the next one, 0.128. And then put in the interaction p-value, 0.86. 1. Okay. Now you're going to look at all these p-values. They're all greater than my 0.05. So I'm going to fail to reject all of them. So I want to look for the ones that have no effect on the rating. Has no effect on the rating, has an effect on the, has no effect on the rating. There's going to be 2 of them. There's, there were only 3 that ended in rating, typically, unless I'm missing something. Typically there should be 4. All right, well anyways, we want the ones that have no effect, because all right, next one we want is the rating, or here's the rating, here's rating. Which of these has no effect? This one. Okay. 13. I'll make another video for 13.